With honors and a measure of peace, I returned to the family vineyard. There, between Alinor and Shimmering, I realized my vision, a holistic scholarly retreat. I named it Celestar Haven. Marble halls gleamed under silk canopies, adorned with my giant paintings of cosmic wonders. A slender tower rose for star study, its dome enchanted to reveal clear skies. Bards played soft music in vine-shaded courtyards, their melodies mingling with the laughter of guests, scholars, artists, and seekers who craved peaceful study alongside wine tastings, artistic salons, and quiet joys. Dressed in flowing silks, we discussed philosophy by day and danced under the stars by night. It was as secluded as Artam, yet vibrantly alive on Summerset. Soil lavender-scented, breezes through open windows, the comfort of down-filled beds after long nights of revelry or contemplation, the thrill of meeting a kindred spirit whose gaze lingered with promise. In the quiet moments, waking to the sun's first rays warming my skin, and the distant call of seabirds, I reflect on my path. From vineyard child to librarian, academy student, Psijic traveler, hero's ally, and now patron of beauty and knowledge, I am Anduin Calder Omari. Starborn and ever curious, the universe unfolds its secrets to those who listen. Paint and love with open hearts, and the stars, my constant companions, approve.